Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set screen time on Android phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on digital well-being and parental controls. Now scroll down, locate screen time go and click on set go. Now go ahead and set your screen time. So in this case, let's say I just want to set my screen time to 1 hour, select 1, and then set this to 0, like this. Click on done, then you should see the go, you can click on it. That is your screen time for today, and then the countdown will begin. Then you can see used, remaining, and overgo, and then you are good. So you can also come down to where you see app timer to set app timer. Click on timer. Then you want to set your timer. Once you selected the application, whose timer you want to set, click on done, and then you should say add schedule. You can now go ahead and select the timer, 1 hour every day. Click on save. Then if you click on view list, then you have number of application here with screen time mode. So this application will only work for 1 hour, after which you'll be logged out or hacked to provide your log code, and then you are good. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.